Hi students, welcome to the next session. In this session, we are going to see what are the few parameters of DAC. We have already seen the basic idea of conversion of digital to analog, and now we are going to see what are the few parameters involved in DAC. As we have already seen, the basic parameter is resolution, that is also called as a step size. And this is the definition of the resolution. The resolution of a DAC is nothing but is defined as a what could be the possible smallest change that can occur in analog output as a result of change in digital input. Suppose if you are changing the digital input from one value to another value, so what could be the smallest change that happened in the output? So that is called as a resolution. And it is also defined as the reciprocal of number of discrete steps in full scale output of DAC. So total number of steps. Suppose I'll give you the formula for that, and the resolution is always equal to the weight of the LSB, and it is also referred to as step size. The step size of DAC is same as the proportionality factor in the DAC input output relationship. So percentage resolution is given a formula like this: step size divided by full scale into 100. Since full scale is nothing but number of steps into step size, since full scale is nothing but number of steps into step size, so percentage resolution can also be written like this: percentage resolution is equals to 1 by number of steps, that's when reciprocal of number of discrete steps, 1 by total number of steps into 100 in percentage form. So in general, for an n bit DAC, so suppose if you are having an n bit DAC, the number of different levels is 2 power n. Suppose 4 bit DAC is there. How many number of different levels? 2 power 4, 16 levels will be there. And the number of steps will be, for a 4 bit DAC, number of steps will be equals to 15. That means it is nothing but 2 power n minus 1. So the greater the number of bit, greater the number of steps, and the smaller will be the step size. Therefore, finer will be the resolution. So number of bits increases means, finally we can conclude like this: number of bits increases means resolution will be finer. That means resolution will be more good. And the next thing is accuracy. Next important parameter is accuracy. Accuracy is defined as is usually specified in terms of its full scale error and linearity error. Is usually specified in terms of its full scale error and linearity error, which are normally expressed as percentage of converter's full scale output. The linearity error is nothing but is the maximum deviation of analog output from the ideal output. And next is settling time. The operating speed of DAC is usually specified by giving it settling time. Operating speed of DAC is usually specified by giving its settling time. So settling time means what? Means it is defined as total time between the instant when the digital input changes and the time the output enters a specified error band for the last time. So that is generally given by plus or minus half LSB. So generally what it means it is the time, it is defined as total time between instant when digital input changes, when digital input changes and the time the output enters a specified error band for the last time. Error band for the last time. And it is usually plus or minus half LSB around the final value after the change in digital input. So generally DACs with a current output instead of having voltage output, DACs with the current output will have shorter settling times than those with voltage outputs. And other two parameters like offset voltage. Offset voltage means ideally the output of DAC should be 0 when the input is 0. In practice, however, there is a small output voltage under this situation also, that is called as offset voltage. Instead of having 0 as output, we are having some minor small amount of voltage, that is called as a offset voltage. This offset error, if not corrected, it will be added to the expected DAC output for all input cases. Not only at when input is 0. If it is not corrected, it will be added to all next stages. And next coming to this is monotonicity. Monotonicity means a DAC is said to be monotonic if its output is increasing as the binary input is incremented from one value to next value. That means the step is going upwards. Otherwise, the DAC is said to be non-monotonic if the output decreases when the binary input is increased. So offset voltage means instead of having 0 output when the input is binary, it will have some value. That is called as offset voltage. Monotonicity means if the output is increasing when the input is increasing, that is called as monotonic DAC. Otherwise, if the output decreases as we increase the input, that is called as non-monotonic DAC.